What's up, my beautiful babes? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Natalie, and this is my channel, Music to Makeup, where it's okay to love makeup. Makeup has brought me a lot of happiness, but loving yourself is key. So, today's video is going to be, I'm so excited for, a first impressions, demo and first impressions of the Yves Saint Laurent All Hours foundation, and I got mine in the color B20 Ivory. I don't think this foundation is like brand new. I think it's newish, but I just like the Hourglass Stick foundation is like my holy grail foundation, but I can go through those so quickly and they're expensive, and I just, I want a really good liquid foundation because I love mixing my Cover FX or any sort of like highlighting drops in my foundations. And the ones that I've tried, like I tried the Dior Face and Body, didn't like that. I just tried the Makeup Revolution one. I do not like that one. I tried so hard to get it to work for me, but so I did order this during the Sephora Beauty Insider sale. I will get into all the details about what this foundation claims to do, how much it is, how much you get, if it's worth the price, because it is not cheap. It is $54. It's Yves Saint Laurent. It's not cheap, but I don't mind paying for high-end products if they are quality and they really, like impress me and like blow me up. The product blows me out of the water. I don't mind paying for that. So if you would like to see if this foundation is worth it, worth your hard-earned money, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And I'll also be doing a wear test with this, so let's get right into it. So I'm going to read the description real quickly, and then we are going to put it on. So it says it is a 24-hour natural matte foundation with buildable coverage that blurs pores and fine lines for flawless wear that looks just applied all day. Coverage full, finish matte, liquid, skin types, normal, combination, and oily. It was $54 and you get 0.84 ounces. Oh, damn, you don't even get a full ounce? Come on, YSL. So here is the bottle. It is a glass bottle. Pump. Oh my goodness, it does. It has a pump. Awesome. So, I have already moisturized and primed. I used the No Problem primer. It's so weird to say. I'll do one side with a brush, and then I'll do the other side with a damp sponge. So let me get a brush. I'm just going to put a couple pumps on my hands, and then I'm going to apply it on my face. So let's do two. So here's what it looks like. It is a little watery, starting to run down, so let me put it on, and then I will blend it out with the brush. Ooh, it has a very like silky texture, and it smells just like the YSL like Radiant Smoothing Primer with the gold flecks in it. It smells exactly like that. Very like kind of like floral perfumey. I like to call it like it's a bougie smell basically. Okay, so I'm going to take this buffing brush here and blend it up. I really like this. Oh my goodness. It blends out super nicely and it's so lightweight. Like you saw the formula, it's not thick. It is, you know, more on the watery side, but I might need to build it up a little bit, but I definitely think this is full coverage. And the finish is gorgeous. It honestly does look airbrushed, like flawless. The thing I don't like is I put 2 pumps on and that was just like one side of my face. Okay, so here is, let me zoom you in a little bit. Okay, so here is it, the foundation blended out with a brush, and then here is reality. So let me put some on this side and I will blend it out with a sponge. So I'm gonna need some more. I'm gonna do 1 pump and see how that. Oh, so it does look like it oxidizes. If you can see, the dried down color, or the one that's dry, is a little darker than the like new foundation I just put on. So just be aware of that.
In the dark we fight, you take the wrong and you make it right.
Like it if you have normal oily or combination skin. Alright, so I'm going to take my damp Morphe sponge and blend this out. But it did a pretty good job of covering up my acne. I kind of touched it up with the brush. I actually preferred the side with the brush. It just, I love beauty sponges for my concealer, but I feel like they just soak up a lot of foundation. So that's why I'd prefer to use a brush. But this foundation is bomb. Like, oh, why have I not tried this before? It's very smooth going on and like a silky texture. I love the smell. It is, let me show you what I'm talking about, what it smells like. The Touche Eclat Blur Primer. So it just smells like, you know, like kind of perfumey, bougie. If you don't like that, I love that it has a pump. It is so lightweight. It's not even funny. It literally feels like I have nothing on my face. And it didn't say that it's for dry skin type, but it feels hydrating to me. And it does blur. it blurs your pores and gives your face like an airbrush, just flawless finish. This is just my first impressions, but my first impressions are, damn, where have you been all my life? So I am going to go finish the rest of my makeup, and then I will come back and show you what it looks like with everything. Okay, so the rest of my makeup is finished. I've actually had this on for like almost 2 hours now. I got very distracted. It still looks like I literally just put it on. My skin looks amazing. It looks flawless. Like, I had so much acne. Well, I still do, it's just covered up, but I mean, you can still see it. Let me zoom you in. I mean, but this foundation, whew. It has not like broken up at all around my nose, like anything, and it is, I swear it feels like I'm not wearing anything at all. This foundation is amazing. Like, why have I not heard more about this? Where have you been all my life? He's in the bougie section that I couldn't afford.